How can you develop an effective digital marketing strategy outline for your business? Include SEO, analytics, web placement, digital marketing strategies, social media, goals, and measurements in your online marketing plan and strategy to ensure you don't miss anything. Clear communication via digital media is essential for project success. Forbes 2020 research reveals that 55% of the global population uses internet access, translating to more than 4.2 billion users worldwide. Moreover, mobile commerce accounts for a striking 51% of all digital transactions. We cannot stay out of this market, and we must ensure that our material is mobile-friendly. You need to decide on a specific target audience, buyer persona, set business goals, and develop an adequate value proposition when create you a digital marketing strategy. What is a digital marketing plan? If a business wants to reach its marketing goals online through search, social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing, it needs a digital marketing strategy outline. This is a detailed plan that shows how the business will do it. This strategy comprises numerous components, including the following: short, medium, and long-term business objectives, strategies to achieve digital goals, channels to utilize, action and development plans, investment and budget allocation, timeline and roadmap. You need it to create an unforgettable experience for customers by attracting, convincing, and converting them to your goods or services. Plan strategies and tactics to reach your target customers. Segment your digital marketing campaigns to add value at each level. Before creating a digital marketing plan, it's essential to understand your company's online presence, target demographic, channels, and competitors. How to plan digital marketing in 2025. Step 1. Situational analysis. Conducting a SWOT analysis of the organization is essential before developing your digital marketing strategy. This effective method helps you identify the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to the corporation and the market. We must understand our ecosystem, identify our customers' demands, and determine where we meet them. This qualitative and quantitative investigation examines internet behaviors, intermediaries, influencers, and more. Companies often use benchmarking to find best practices, success stories, and examples for their digital marketing plans. We must also perform internal research to assess our company's digital situation. Our website, customer-focused? How's browsing and usability? Are our blog posts periodic? Our website's current position? Step 2. Set digital marketing goals. Once you know your market position and strengths and set goals to guide your actions, your plans must support such goals. Establish SMART goals for your digital marketing plan. Ensure that they are specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. SMART goal: increase website traffic to 20,000 per month in 3 months. So I'll do X, Y, and Z. Step 3. Define the marketing strategy. How will you attain your business goals after defining them? Personalization is growing in digital marketing plan. Thus, when creating a marketing strategy to implement your plan, consider these factors: target audience segmentation, know your audience, their tastes, wants, and expectations, etc. Create your buyer persona now. Positioning. To position yourself correctly, you must clearly communicate your value proposition to your audience. It's also essential to master the digital transmission of this proposition. Why should customers select you above the competition? Find your audience on social media, blogs, and email. Share your proposal on the About Us page and social media. Creating, distributing, and maintaining original content that attracts people and establishes the brand as referential is content strategy. You must also create content marketing plans for each channel. Content strategy intertwines with buyer persona. Examine your BP's content, format, reference measurements, and followers. The more you learn from their profile, the better your material will be. Tools used to execute content strategies include keyword research, finding keywords to employ in our content to boost SEO organically. This needs to be included in any content marketing strategy to ensure visibility on search engines. Content calendar. A content calendar ensures strategy logic. It helps you think long-term, optimize resources, create ideas, and more. Content calendars should include publishing date, author, post topic, keywords, tags, and more. Step 4. Digital strategies and tactics. We will implement email marketing, social media marketing, CRM, web optimization, SEO, paid media advertising marketing, and other methods based on our goals of attraction, conversion, and loyalty. With these strategies, you'll be able to develop workflows that allow you to produce hundreds of campaigns with a few clicks. You'll be able to personalize communications to your buyer profile, boosting your chances of success. Not only that, but you'll be able to turn them into customers based on their experiences with the business. Step 5. Measuring results and KPIs. We must measure every step using KPIs to determine if we achieved the intended ROI. Measure the success of our digital marketing tactics and actions to correct what doesn't work and reach our goals. Use an effective, real-time data visualization system. The digital world changes quickly, so you must always be alert to spot possibilities and areas for growth. Without data value, we are blind and can't make reasonable conclusions. We require data compilation, processing, and value extraction tools. MuleSoft integrates systems to maximize data exchange and utilization. It can aid you with the Salesforce ecosystem. Keep these steps in mind when developing your digital marketing strategy plan, and don't leave anything to chance. It's your biggest opponent if you want to position yourself and increase your digital presence. Conclusion. In today's fiercely competitive landscape, developing a powerful digital marketing plan is essential for businesses aiming to achieve success. Bizionic Technologies understands the issues and will guide you through them. Our services include SEO, analytics, rankings, tactics, social media marketing, goals, and metrics. Our professionals provide innovative solutions that solve current problems and help your organization succeed. Collaborate with us, a renowned digital marketing agency, to maximize your digital marketing plan and advance your business in the digital age.